All right, back again with IWEEZA. Going to do a fourth box of Encased football. Hello, guys. The best thing we've seen so far was the Encased-wise was the Hunt out of 10. Saw some nice hits out of the inner packs as well. All right, numbered 3 of 5 this time with his Twitter handle. Jeremy McNichols autograph. At Jeremy McNichols. Number 6 of 75. Go Hawks. Amara Darboh. We've got a jersey of Aaron Rodgers. 18 of 49. Followed by jersey number 49. O.J. Howard. And Jameis Winston, base. All right, and the Encased hit. Ah, nice one. Oh, that is sick. Numbered 5 of 10, gold, dual patch autograph. 9/5/10, Alvin Kamara. Very nice hit, guys. Beautiful card. Kamara, 9/5/10. Sweet. All right, guys. Congrats. Appreciate it. Get it packed up and out ASAP.